My discipline was procurement. But once I got into AgilePoint and I started building all these different applications, I then get a more enterprise view. I'm actually in IT now. I actually worked for AgilePoint as a business analyst for about a year. Before that, I worked at a Fortune 100 company that had AgilePoint implemented at the enterprise level. I was shadow IT. They wanted to use AgilePoint to add extensibility from a workflow standpoint to Anaplan. We had an existing legacy BPA system which had a solution for the cloud, but it wasn't compatible with their SharePoint on-prem solution. We opted to move to AgilePoint, and we ended up going through the migration and rewriting all those 8,000 different applications. So you don't have to have coding experience with AgilePoint. It's really intuitive. You can use AgilePoint as a workflow engine. So to add extensibility to existing platform and to applications. You can do things tactically or strategically. Just use AgilePoint as an overall system aggregator. So if you have multiple disparating systems that don't integrate with one another, and where you need something more complex than an API, you can use AgilePoint to sit on top of all of them and orchestrate that entire process, soup to nuts. It ends up being a creative outlet. We didn't have a productivity tool to track cost savings across the globe. And so I built that in AgilePoint. You have a great deal of ownership and job satisfaction when you are the person that builds these applications and then they're rolled out globally. You feel empowered. If your interest is in a technology, AgilePoint will support you if you're barely getting into development and all the way up to becoming a professional developer. It will scale with you.